couldn't come out from my gate at all
Yes.
for the last 20 minutes. Of course, they have started flyover. Yes, Mr.
May I
Bhaiya.
please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, it's a pending contempt matter, Lordship. Last 3 occasions, Lordship, matter did not reach. The petitioner yet to receive his pensionary dues, Lordship.
Okay, we take it up on 28.
28.
Or let it be not 28. 20. Let it be on 28.
20.
To make a mention in the morning.
Lordship. Lordship.
Maybe with the back to mention item number 22, Lordship.
Huh.
We have taken after 2 weeks, Lordship. 22 after 2 weeks.
List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, Mr. Bhaiya.
My lord, I am not feeling well today, my lord. Item number 9, my lord. Can it be taken up on next week or any? Because similar petition has been disposed of, my lord, that Asimia amalgamation matter, my lord. Exactly, some other petitioner has also challenged, my lord. So connected, but that.
When do you want? Next week on 29th?
29th, my lord.
Yes, madam.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention, Lordship, item number 4 and 7, Lordship. My senior is not well, Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks, Lordship.
Will come after BU vacation. As you know, the last 2 weeks, or we can try. Anyway, we'll have it immediately after BU vacation. On the prayer of the council for the petitioner, place this matter on 21st of April. Or make it on 19th of April.
Obliged, Lordship. 4 or 7.
For delivery of order, item number 29.
This petition under section 152 is not maintainable. Petitioner may prefer appropriate application. As it is found that in the guise of typographical error, the applicant found the order to be erroneous and prayed for some other relief. Accordingly, stands disposed of.
For delivery, item number 1.
In this matter, on first 6/1/2023, Lordship has directed me to bring some instruction, my lord. My lord, I need some more time, my lord.
See the difficulties. I'm telling just clarifying the bar. You have to fill up a checklist, right?
My lord.
Now the matter is important. There is a single counsel. He hasn't written his full name.
My lord.
Secondly, he hasn't given his full telephone number. He has given only 6-digit telephone number. It's a mobile. How will you do it? To intimate him. Last occasion he was he did not
Representative.
appear in the matter. Now, had this form, the checklist had been complete, our office would have indicated. These are the reasons we'll be passing instruction to the filing section that if the checklist is not complete, the mobile number of the councils, mobile number of the parties are not provided, we'll stop accepting these applications. Ultimately, we are here for the litigants. But for the fault of the council, if you have to dismiss a petition, it doesn't, inspire us to do that.
No.
It's easy to take it, dismiss it in a second. This should be inspired by yourself in the bar. You should discuss and make it. This should not come to the court like this. Filing section মানুহ মাতিব বৰুৱা filing section head of মাতিব to accept for myself.
Filing section also should have, Lordship.
We have difficulties. You see, there are some other officers. We have lots of filing. And we are having different superintendents. They are working in different branches to ease out this filing section because Lamp George is there. So they are signing it. So whoever is well trained from the filing section,
Yes.
there will not be any difficulty. But who are working in the other sections, they have some other works to do in their respective section. In addition to that, we have given this. So hurriedly they will do it,
Yes, yes.
right?
Definitely.
Well, after coming e-filing, this problem will be solved.
No, these are things we found that
Lordship, in the e-filing also, we are facing some difficulties, Lordship, in filing affidavits.
if you difficulties, if there, you can
Because-
always tell us.
Yes.
We are always used to try.
Board of Fukan has already filed an application before the Register Judicial or Administration, I think.
You can always tell us because we have a very good IT team.
Yes.
We have now added by
I think he was
another
allowed to file it manually in that case, Lordship.
because we should start it.
Yes, Lord.
It is better. We want to be paperless. None appeared for a petitioner in court. Placed on 3830.
Oh, bless.
Third, in this case, as per earlier that I have taken the steps and filed the additional affidavit, my lord, and annexing the representation that was sent by post, my lord. Earlier, I could not connect the, that's why my lord was directed to.
You have filed additional affidavit.
Yes, yes.
When
Yes, it was filed yesterday, my lord.
it's not available. Okay.
Not in the what I filed.
Uh,
Yesterday by filing number, my lord.
Mr. B. Purakaster, counsel for the petitioner, submitted that yesterday I on that variety filed an additional affidavit on behalf of the petitioner. However, the same is not available in the case record. List on 38 along with the additional affidavit filed by the registration verification until incorporated in the case record. There was a list on that. Yes, Mr. Khandakar.
My lord, this is for non-compliance of honorable court's order. Page 11 is the order. my lord. 11 portion, page 13. Last paragraph. I have submitted page 14. now. 1 month I was given. Nothing has been done.
See, I'll suggest you. This order is there. You know, section 14 of the 2017 Act.
my lord.
What happened in this order is just a representation for which matter may be pending. We do not know. You just add it, file a small petition, review petition, or whatever for alteration, and file a review petition is better. Because you just say that section 14 of the 2017 Act provides for appeal. So this last part of the order, representation, should be considered as an appeal under section
My
14.
lord, I think I also filed in appeal. now. So I will check up, let it be
Check
on
out,
Monday.
if your appeal is pending, we'll pass
My
the
lord,
order.
on Monday I will check.
Not on Monday, we'll have it on 30th, 30.
my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. Khandakar, list on 30th. So place the 11 instruction, the 11 to apprise the court as to whether he has preferred an appeal under section 14 of the 2017 Act, right, or not. List, register shall reflect the name of standing counsel elementary because list again decided.
On 30th, my lord. I know.
Oh, no.
That's usual. That regarding compensatory default.
Mr. Prabhu? Yes. Mr. Saika? This is from which district? What happened?
Worship, question is there is not up to the mark, that's why it is rejected.
No, what happened? They
But
rejected
question
your
is
case
there,
or-
Lordship. Now it is,
When
Lordship,
did you file your,
Case number 34, my lord, there is a communication
30%.
by the deputy commissioner saying that during the time of submitting application, he is underqualified for the post of assistant teacher. Last paragraph, my lord, page number 34.
But he was HSLC pass. Lordship.
DLC stated on 7/5, degree certificate is submitted 27/7/2013. And this is communicated on the 11 October 2021, madam.
Mr. Saika, when it was first rejected?
My lord, that's order communicated 11 October
No, no, no.
2021.
Whereas you read the last paragraph.
My lord. Whereas after through scrutiny of the application submitted, it is observed that the applicant have underqualified at the time of submission of application. He has submitted application on 7/5/2013, but graduate in the year July 2013 as per mark sheet submitted submission of dated 24/7/2013. He has also submitted provisional certificate of an unverified university dated 25/10/2013. Application were earlier rejected by the DLC 13/6/2013 for being underqualified in the category of assistant teacher of LP school. So applicant did not have the requisite qualification at the time of submission of application and in accordance with the well dated. So DLC resolved that applicant is Zakaria F. Soduri, which is not fit for recommendation to the
Why?
state.
Why? If he is not suitable for the assistant teacher, application, he can be always suitable for grade 4.
Grade 4.
So that is not been considered.
Mandate.
But Lordship, question is that Lordship, is not only apply the assistant teacher Lordship, in application form is here Lordship, 25 pages. Against any vacancy of UP and LP school or LD or grade for Hailakandi school. Not assistant teacher Lordship. It is wrongly it is written assistant teacher. According to qualification, may be considered Lordship.
Why you have not given the date on which you have applied for?
Remainder is Lordship, but strong.
On which date you have filed it? Where is that date?
25 Lordship.
Page 25 were reading. On which date you have filed?
Date is Lordship.
That is the difficulty. Now you want the office to search your application.
Date.
Where is the receipt?
It is fine. Only they cannot.
Where is the receipt? See, you are approaching the court and you have to give some handle to the court to pass an order in your favor. If things are not proper, necessarily court will reject your case.
It is prescribed form Lordship.
Is a prescribed form? Where is the date, Mr. Counsel? On which date you have applied for? You might have a receipt. Where is that receipt?
Headmaster signature is there, I see.
That is not the thing. We want the date.
29/2012.
Where from you are saying?
Page 25. There is signature. 29/2012.
Which is your application? Page number 24 or page number 26?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Hmm?
24, 25, 26, 27.
Which is according to the format of June 2015 notification.
It is Lordship. According to format, it is the format person. Application for the processing of the case of compensation appointment. Headline is there. Also in our High Court doesn't also annex Lordship. Here he is also get 33%, but also court can consider according to qualification. 37 Lordship, please.
From the perusal of the order. Page Alamdin for the petition.
Page 34.
GPA book, standing income sheet. Department of School Elementary Forest number 1. 1, 2, and 4. And Mr. P. Saikia, Government Advocate Assam for petition number 3. Father of the petitioner, Kamaluddin Chaudhary. An Assamese language teacher of Tantu ME School in the district of Hailakandi, died in harness on 30/06/2012. He filed an application for his compassionate affidavit. The petitioner being the eldest son had secondly passed on 20/09/2012, submitted an application for his compassionate appointment before the district elementary education officer, Silsar Kachar, to the headmaster of St. Tantu ME School. Sorry, Hailakandi. District elementary, Hailakandi. The headmaster of Tantu ME School on 20/09/2012 itself forwarded the application of the petitioner, the DEO Hailakandi, for his compassionate appointment, for compassionate appointment of the petition. By an order dated 11/10/2021, the Deputy Commissioner cum Chairman of the District Level Committee for Compassionate Appointment Hailakandi, by an order petitioner under memo number HPE.1/2021, that is 11 date present. Apprised that the case of the petitioner earlier considered by the DLC Hailakandi and rejected on 13/06/2013, finding him to be underqualified in the category of assistant teacher of lower primary school. Later, the case of the petitioner was again placed before the DLC Hailakandi on 05/10/2021. And on that date, the said DLC came to the conclusion that the application of the petitioner is not fit for recommendation to the state level committee for compassionate appointment under a land release scheme. Being agreed with the same, the petitioner has preferred this petition.
That's it. What else will you discuss?
Additional papers or hypothetical considered.
Where is that provision, Mr. Sekar? If not available in grade 3, in the grade 4, it can be accommodated. The 2015 notification, it is not there. The office memorandum number ABP 50/2006/PTP capital /182 dated 01/06/2015 issued by the Department of Personnel, Government of Assam, Personnel within the BD, Government of Assam. clause 10 provides that the compassionate appointment shall be made only to the grade 3 and grade 4 post G capital, capital Roman 3, capital Roman 2, against the vacancies under the direct recruitment quota. Further, clause 15 of the said office memorandum dated such and such. If sufficient vacancies are not available in any particular office to accommodate the persons in the waiting list for compassionate appointment, it is open to the administrative department / office to take up the matter with the other departments, public offices of the government, provided an early appointment on compassionate ground to those in the waiting list. Moreover, this court have settled the law regarding the compassionate appointment that if vacancies in grade 3 was not available, that the concerned candidate seeking appointment and compassionate appointment can be considered the post of grade 4 in the event of non-availability of any such vacancies in grade 3 as per the educational qualification of the concerned incumbent, which however is not to be relaxed in terms of the concerned service rules. From the order dated 11/10/2021 of the Deputy Commissioner, Chairman of the DLC, Hailakandi, it is not reflected as to why the case of the petitioner was rejected for compassionate appointment without considering his appointment for compassionate appointment in any other administrative department in grade 3 or in grade 4 vacancies. In view of the above, the order dated 11/10/2021 of the Deputy Commissioner, Chairman, DLC, Hailakandi, is set aside and passed, directing the DEO, Hailakandi, to place the case of the petitioner again before the district level committee for compassionate appointment. And to consider the case of the petitioner in the light of the office memorandum number such and such dated such and such, and as 11 rules. Petitioner shall submit presentation before the district elementary education officer, Hailakandi, along with a certified copy of this order. Obtaining necessary See, we have the informations. Morning we have seen. After the signing of this filing sections, the advocate class goes to the office and sends the briefs. If some brief is in the middle side or in the downside, will manage and pick it in the top so that his case is listed early. It is
Fault of
the
the
lawyers are insisting. Otherwise, the advocate class of their own doesn't have the guts to go to the office and do that. Unless you stop it, it will be difficult. It is the duty of the bar to make a discipline, instead of follow a discipline. Who is will benefited?
Yes.
Ultimately, we are for the litigants. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, matter relates to non-payment of senior scale, my lord.
Which department?
My lord, page 20 is the eligibility criteria for receiving senior scale. As eligibility is, my lord,
You are serving as what?
lecturer,
Where?
Prince Welsh Institute, Jorhat,
Where is your appointment?
Polytechnic, my lord.
Where is your appointment?
My lord, my initial appointment was in page number 14, my lord, under 3 Act. Thereafter, my lord, my post was regularized, page 15. And my name is in serial number 12, my lord. Page
When it was regularized?
Page 16, serial number 12, my lord. My name is Noyan Moni Deka,
2004.
my lord. 12 to 2004.
Serial number?
12, my lord.
Okay. It was regularized.
My lord, my lord. After
Then?
that, my lord, for getting senior lecturer senior scale, the criteria is, my lord, page 20.
Senior
Completed,
skill.
my lord, lecturer senior scale. Completed 6 years of service after regular appointment, number 1. Number 2, participated in 1 orientation course, induction training, and 1 refresher course or industrial training of aggregate duration of 8 weeks. I have, my lord, as many as 11 weeks training. My lord, I have annexed the certificate. Thereafter, my lord, what happened? On 17 November 2017, my lord, page 21.
You have not obtained PhD.
My lord, not.
Only 11 weeks training you have done it
My lord,
and nothing else.
and experience is there, my lord. Now I am master degree, but before publication of this, I have not master degree, my lord. Well, my lord, page 21. And
Not Mr. H.N. Sharma, counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. K. Gogo, standing counsel, higher education. Assam, for the respondent numbers
1 and 2, Lordship.
1 to 5.
1 to 5, Lordship.
Petitioner,
আপনি নম্বরটা ভুলে গেছেন। 2 to 2টা হয়েছে।
the state government indeed did an education within bracket CTM department by notification number PEC.176/95/2022 dated 20/11/1995 appointed the petitioner as a lecturer in instrumentation technology in the scale of pay of rupees 2275, that's rupees 4450 per month plus special pay of rupees 100 per month and other allowances as applicable under the rules. Under the provisions temporarily, such as rules, appointing him temporarily and until further orders for a period of 4 months under Regulation 3 Act of the Assam Public Service Commission within bracket limitation and something. Brackets was Regulations 1951 and posted him at Prince of Wales Institute within bracket POWI. Bracket was Jorhat with effect from the date of taking over the church. By subsequent notification, the state government in the education within the CTM department, by number TEC.78/98/278, dated 21/02/2004. Service of the petitioner, along with 17 others, were regularized. With effect from 12/02/2004, the date of approval by the cabinet of the government of Assam. The state government, the higher and technical education department, by an office memorandum number TEC.42/95/PT/12, dated 20/05/2004, while adopting the All India Council for Technical Education recommendations regarding recruitment of lecturer career advancement scheme CAS in the polytechnics in Assam, Polytechnic of category. Amongst others, provided provision for lecturer in senior scale that stipulates as follows. Page number 20. Mark Wood, Sudamar, right, this number. Petitioner submitted that though he obtained the requisite eligibility to attending various regular courses for his career advancement scheme of lecturer in the senior scale till date, he has not been conferred with such senior skill in spite of his approach to the authority concerned. Being aggrieved, petitioner has preferred this petition. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and considering the rest of the matter, this repetition is disposed of at the motion stage itself, directing the petitioner to submit a representation along with all the relevant documents and the testimonials. Self-attested relevant documents and testimony before the Commissioner Secretary in the Technical Department, Assam, now the certified properties. Stating his grievances for non-receipt of such senior skill, excellent of senior skill, grade, in spite of having the requisite eligibility. Such representations will be filed by the petitioners for the Commissioner Secretary on the before 12th of April, obtaining necessary acknowledgement. Next week. In the event of filing testimonies and his telephone of his mobile number, email address, etc. for onward communication. Must be in the event of filing such and such. Commissioner Secretary in the Technical Department will state so the dispose of the petitioner within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of the same, intimating him about the outcome of the said representation. That's this full of. There is no other Yes, Mr. Seth.
The post of principal of a higher secondary school is going to be vacant by 31st of March. The meantime, my lord, in violation of the rule, they are going to appoint respondent number 6, my lord. But whether I have got the requisite qualification, my lord, I am going to be.
Respondent number 4.
Respondent number 6, my lord.
Who is he?
My lord, he is subject teacher of this school.
What is his name?
Name, my lord, your lordship would go to page 61. Yes. So, my lord, her 57 years. 57 years is a condition precedent for appointment of principal. 57 years completed on 1/11/2022. In 23, my lord, is already over age. So she cannot be appointed as principal as per rule 3(5), my lord.
That is true, but only on apprehension whether a petition can be filed.
But that is there, my lord.
See, just tell us something. Now a person having the requisite eligibility and have crossed the age of 55 years.
Yes,
or 57.
57, yes.
Will not be able to come to.
That is the rule says lordship.
That is the rule, my lord.
No. That is for the post of regular principal.
Regular, but for instance, yes.
That is something different because it is not a research principal is not a post.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Only when the things are other requisite eligibilities regarding the educational qualifications, that cannot be relaxed.
And this is his apprehension. Department not taking any decision right now, lordship. Let the post be vacant on 31st. Thereafter, department will take some action on apprehension whether a requisition can be filed, lordship. The interim action has not been taken place, though. This is his apprehension that in spite of completing 57 years, he will be given the insult. That may not be given.
When did school was provincialized?
Lord, That information is not available with me, my lord. It is a very old school, my lord. Because, my lord, I was appointed in 2001 as a graduate teacher, my lord.
You are a graduate teacher.
I'm graduate teacher, my lord, completed 17 years, my lord. And thing is this, my lord, private respondent number 6 only.
How many such graduate teachers, how many such teachers with B.Ed,
My lord. BA.
B.Ed are
My lord, respondent number 6. Then another person, my lord. He is Jyoti Bora. Then another person, my lord, Muhammad Nazrul Islam. But they are not requisite, they have no requisite qualification as per rule, my lord. Because somebody is overaged, somebody do not have this qualification of MAMSC, my lord.
doesn't matter.
MAMSC is a qualification, my lord. That must be under the rule, my lord.
Please come to page number 61.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
It is okay.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, including you, 5
My lord.
are master degree holders,
Ah,
right?
yes, my lord.
And 1, 2, 3, 4 are, out of those 5, only
B.Ed. 1,
One-
2,
one and two.
3, 4. 4 has got B.Ed. my lord.
now this serial number 2, Jyoti Bora,
Yes, my lord.
she received graduate scale of pay much prior to you. And her date of birth is 4/12/1970.
No,
Superseding-
graduate scale of pay, my lord, from 2001, my lord. My graduate scale is from 2001 because there is a notification.
This is 2021, it is shown.
Yes, my lord, lordship would be pleased to see GOP notification, page 27 to 40. 27 to 40, my lord.
See, either you challenge this seniority list because you are much near to the second in the line. And
No, your lordship would be pleased to see page 27.
see, this is the seniority list, right?
Yes, my
That
lord.
is number 61.
Yes, my lord.
There it is shown that you have received fixed pay.
No, my lord, that is why, my lord, I am referring to the notification, page 27. Page 27, my lord.
This
I am
is
graduate teacher from 2001.
fine. In this seniority list, you have been shown at serial number 7.
My lord,
And this seniority has been signed, countersigned by the inspector of schools.
my lord.
As per this seniority list, you are at serial number 7, whereas
Well.
one, there
Well.
is one number 6, is at serial number 1, and one
Yes.
Jyoti Bora at serial number 2.
My lord.
You do not challenge this. How will you say that you are senior to them? Up to you.
No, my lord, now thing is this, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship.
Heard Mr. MSA, Council
Question
for
of
Petitioner.
seniority is there. Question of principal appointment, my lord.
Mr. SMT Sister Standing Council
1, 2, and 3.
for the response number 120. Who is the regular principal? Who is the regular principal, Mr. Singh?
Regular principal.
Who is the regular principal?
My lord, regular principal respondent number 5. He is going to retire on
What is his name?
31/3, my lord.
What is his name? Or her name?
Bilal Uddin Ahmed, my lord. Bilal Uddin Ahmed.
His name is not there in the figure.
My lord, principal signature at page 61, my lord. B.U. Ahmed like this.
It is submitted by the petitioner. The petitioner is you are serving as a graduate teacher. Petitioner is an assistant teacher. What is the full name of the school?
Full name of the school is Besamari MIHS School.
That is not the full form. What is MIH? HS is higher secondary. What is MI?
MI for? It's full form K. But in the appointment letter also, that is the.
That is, you don't know the name of the school. The teacher doesn't know the name of the school.
My lord, I know, but it is not written.
Should have been.
Let me try, my lord, to show your lordship.
He wants to be the principal in charge and doesn't know the full name of the school.
My lord, I am giving. Muhammad Ismail, my lord. Muhammad Ismail.
Where is it? Where is it?
Go to Chennai, MI लिखी था क्या? Always.
Place this matter on Monday.
No, it is
Monday,
written.
not Tuesday. Enabling the petitioner to place the full name of the school. Good, yes, sorry. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Oblige, Your Lordship. Lord, here the petitioner challenges the selection process for the post of a grade 4, my lord, in a college. On the ground that, my lord, the terms of the selection have been changed, my lord, midway before the selection. Your lordship can come straight away. Page number. The initial advertisement, my lord, that is at page 14. At page 14, my lord. The initial advertisement, your lordship will see at serial 2, grade 4.
Roster point number 400.
It is an unreserved post. That is all right, my lord. We have no issue with that, my lord. Then he applied along with few others, my lord. Then, my lord, your lordship will see he was called for the interview by the document at page 16.
Yes.
I have the pleasure to inform you that as per advertisement published in the Assam Tribune and corrigendum dated 10 November 22, the interview so for sanction. So it got changed before the interview. Some corrigendum was issued. I tried for a copy, my lord. I was not given. And somebody also applied by filing an application on the RTI, that is at page 17. Still, it is not given till date. Now, the case of the petitioner is this, my lord. Initially 15 days was given for application. The advertisement dated 14/6, so 15 days expired by end of June. So therefore, they couldn't have brought the corrigendum in any case. Number 2, it was done, my lord, to extend favor to the wife of another employee who was already working in the college on temporary basis. Now the employee himself, my lord, he has crossed the age bar and he had applied. When they realized that this gentleman cannot be given the post, my lord, I do not say regarding a little bias in favor, because that man is also working there for a long time, my lord, on temporary basis. But my lord, this deviation from the procedure set out, my lord, initially, that is what I am challenging, my lord. They should have come with a fresh interview, my lord. That is all right, my lord. I have stated in para 7, my lord.
Not Mr. B.D. Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. A. Kabilda, standing counsel.
For 1 and 2.
Department of Higher Education. For the response numbers 1 and 2. Sopotgram College, Sopotgram District, Guri is a provincialized college of the state. Its principal, ITS, on 14/06/2022, issued an advertisement for filling up of one post of library where at roster point number 2.
My lord, mine is not library, my lord, mine is grade 4.
And
yes,
another post of grade 4 The roster point number 4
Non-reserved.
for unreserved category. By the said advertisement dated 14/06/2022, the principal cum secretary of the Sapatgram College allowed 15 days time from the date of publication of the said advertisement. I 14/6 submit the applications by the interested candidates having the requisite eligibility. The petitioner accordingly submitted his application for his placing his candidacy for the grade 4 advertised post of grade 4 at roster point number 5/4 for unreserved category. The same Sapatgram College student time. The principal cum secretary of Sapatgram College, with reference number SC interview I capital SC to SC capital interview I capital oblique 2022-23 oblique 4371 dated 05/12/2022 issued call letter to the petitioner for her interview for the post of grade 4.
For his, madam.
Sorry, for his committee, that is why. Sorry.
Little confusing.
Normally what happens when this say female name is in the front.
Yes.
Let us just our former Chief Justice,
Yes.
Honorable Judge of the Supreme Court,
Yes, yes, sir.
Parvati Prasad, then Lokhi Kanto. Kamini Kolita normally we see it's Kamini Kanto or Kamini something has to be there.
In Assamese, man, there are a lot of names like that.
That is why added with a plural along with it. Durga. So many Durgas are there in male. It's a Durga Prasad or Durga Kanto,
Yes,
right? So it has to be like that.
Could be Kamini Kumar.
Maybe,
That-
maybe.
yes.
Luckily, he is son of. Anyway, to start a point for unreserved, informing her that the interview will be held on 13/12/2022. The petitioner participated in the said selection process. However, from the said call letter, it is 05/12/2022, issued to her by the principal cum secretary of the Sapatgram College for interview to the said post of grade 4, advertised on 14/06/2022. The petitioner could come to know that the principal cum secretary of the said Sapatgram College on 10/11/2022 issued a corrigendum is submitted by the petitioner that the said corrigendum dated 10/11/2022 with regard to the advertisement dated 14/06/2022 is illegal as it was issued beyond the 15 days
Yes.
time allotted by the said advertisement dated 14/06/2022 and to favor a blue-eyed candidate of the governing body of the said college.
Right.
Result not yet out.
No, no.
It is also submitted by the petitioner. The result of the said selection process, notes of the interview dated 14/06/2022 and recorded in the such and such has not yet been published. And no persons the advertised post of grade 4 it is also submitted that the copy of the corrigendum dated 11/2022 was not published in any such dailies giving its wide publication, and
No copy was given to me on my.
we approached the college authority. No copy of such corrigendum dated present was provided to me. Assam Assam College Employees Union Bracket Provincialization Bracket Close Rules 2010 is a statutory rule as framed under Section 12 of the Assam College Employees Union Bracket Provincialization Bracket Close Act 2005. As per the Rule 5 of say 2010 rules, the any such post of grade 3 and grade 4 in a provincialized college, it's to be filled up by way of direct recruitment. By collecting the names from the local employment exits and oblique or advertisement in newspapers. As per the provisions of Sub-Rule 7 of Rule 5, all the posts, including the post of grade 4 in such provincialized colleges of the state, it is the governing body who is required to conduct the selection process and recommend the name the selected candidate very close to the Director of Higher Education Assam, who shall issue orders of appointment. Rule 7 of the same 2010 rules provides that is number 298. Since the appointment is to be issued, appointment to the post of grade 4 in a provincialized college is to be issued by the direct recruitment, by the Director of Higher Education Assam. And the process is not yet complete. Considering the fact that the right of the petitioner accrues only when the necessary appointment is issued by the Director concerned, the court is of the opinion that this petition is premature. Or the petitioner is at liberty to approach the Director of Higher Education Assam by submitting his grievances regarding the selection process in town for filling up the post of grade 4 in Sopotgram College, Sopotgram. The advertisement issued on 14/06/2022 by the Principal cum Secretary of the Government and Successful Editor, Sopotgram College, as well as the corrigendum dated 10/11/2020. In the event of filing any such representation by the petitioner before the Director of Higher Education Assam, along with the certified copy of this order, on or before 14th April, the said Director shall consider the said representation of the petitioner in accordance with law and shall do the needful, intimating the petitioner about the outcome of this.
Till such time, my lord, that they consider it, well, I'll definitely apply.
No,
They will not give effect to this.
If in the meanwhile have not made any selection and appointment, the candidate will get
The post shall not be filled.
without disposing of the representation of the petitioner, shall not proceed to fill up that post.
BP of
Mr. Goswami, we'll get the order Monday of it. So we can file it to office because I'll be leaving for Hoja and Depot after some time.
Today.
So it will not today. So after some time will rise. So I have to go there. So we'll not get the order today. Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
In this case, my lord, although the petitioner was appointed in the year of 1992, but his service has not been regularized. And government has adopted several policies to regularize those persons who were appointed on or before 1/4/1993. The case of the petitioner has been recommended to the higher authority for regulations, but at that time he's dropped, he's left out. Madam. A large number of petitions approached this noble court, and this noble court also.
See, these cases are from long back. Now you are
Yes,
approaching in 2023, Mr. Ram.
Yes.
There has to be a limit.
Yes,
right?
no, madam, in lots of cases, similar petition was.
Have you explained the delay?
Yes.
Where is it? Where you have it?
Now, because communication is going on, madam. In lots of cases,
That doesn't communication, you're filing representation, you cannot buy time.
yes. But the lots of cases, page 31, 31, my lord.
What is this?
This is the communication, my lord. As per direction given by the Director of Education, the inspector of school submitted a report and stating that this case has been dropped, could not be regularized. Now, question is, my lord, the petitioners were paying wages 6,500 from instead of 9,000, my lord. Now again, that wages has been increased 15,900, but now petitioner has been receiving only 9,200, madam. If you also kindly see that notification. Before that, page 27, my lord, the director has also proposed the name of the petitioner. Page 27, madam.
This was in 2007 received. Now it is 23 received.
Then the petitioner name is appearing cell number 17. Then, my lord, 2014 also another recommendation, madam.
What is the judgment of the High Court division bench?
Yes, this was the judgment, my lord. We held that they are not intended to get regularization. But
It is clear from.
Then why you have made that prayer for regulation of the service?
But
Why? When the High Court and division bench is directly said, why you have made that prayer for regulation?
regulation I am off. I am off. That part I am not. But second part, my lord.
Hey, don't.
Second part. Second part. Salary part, my lord. Now I confine salary part. If you also kindly say page 38. Fixed wage remuneration on 15,900, my lord. So I am receiving 9,200. So that may be considered. That may be considered, my lord.
Yes, sir.
It's the same thing. Why the inspector of schools are engaging on what?
That in the district level, that may be, that doesn't give any right to the petitioner lordship. The inspector of schools mere writing a letter, lordship. Lordship knows what the district admission they are doing, lordship.
Unless you are tight.
Yeah.
You,
Yes, sir.
60 should be tight,
Yes, sir.
not the department.
Yes, lordship. Yes.
But since appointment was made 1992, my lord. So, madam, now I
If your appointment is 1992, what is the term? What is specific term approach given by the High Court? That judgment.
rather than single bench held that they are entitled to get regulations, but division bench held that they are not, but they should not be terminated. Paragraph 22, my lord.
Where is that order?
That is the judgment. I also quoted it, my lord. Doesn't do that. Paragraph 22 and 23, my lord. So 45 14. W. In my writ petition, paragraph 9, page 9.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 22 and 23. But as per judgment of the Honorable Single Judge, similarly situated person already regularized, but my case was dropped.
Pardon, Mr. J. Ahmed, counsel appearing for the petition.
Already,
And Mr. Rasim, Department of School Education for the respondent numbers 1, 4 and 5. Also heard Mr. J. Saliha, standing counsel finance for the respondent number 2. And it is submitted by the petitioner that on his appointment issued by the Inspector of Schools, Gwalpara, District Circle, Gwalpara, on 27/01/1992, he is appointing as a master role or casual?
Casual basis, master casual basis. Grade
Appointment
for
was
casual.
casual, not as a master role. Appointed as a grade 4 employee. Temporarily, on casual basis. In a lump sum pay of rupees 370 per month. However, his salary has now been increased. However, petitioner is still serving as a casual MC, and his salary has how much?
Now I am receiving 9,200
And is receiving a payment of rupees 9,200 per month.
instead of 15,900.
The petitioner submitted. In spite of petitioner submitted, in spite of his long tenure in service as a casual employee since 1992, the services has not yet been regularized and has not been paid the monthly salary of rupees 15,900 per month, in spite of the notification number FEC within bracket capital Roman 2 oblique 4 within bracket close 4 oblique 2014 oblique 414 dated 03/10/2019 issued by the state government in the finance within bracket EC dash capital Roman 2 bracket close department in compliance of the order of the division bench of this court dated 08/07, I think so. February 06/2017 in read appeal number 45/2014 within bracket State of Assam versus Upen Das and others and other connected cases where the benefit of such payment of salary of rupees 15,900
along with
given
medical
into force
allowances.
with effect from 01/12/2018 by the Finance Department of the statewide notification dated 03/10/2019 noted above. Along with medical allowances of rupees 600 per month. The further observation that the pay scale will be changed based on enhancement of DNS allowances. The recommendation of the pay commission. However, on being inquired, Mr. J. Muddin counsel for the petitioner on instruction submitted that the petitioner shall not press for the prayer of regularization of the service. However, he should be allowed to draw rupees such as 15,900 per month, with medical allowances of rupees 600 and any other allowances as admissible to him in terms of the said notification of the Finance Department dated 03/10/2019 noted above. This is notice returnable by 8 weeks.
It may be disposed of that observation by the
Okay. The
authority will.
in view of the after hearing the counsel for the parties and considering interest of the matter, this petition is disposed of, directing the petition to submit a fresh representation before the Director of Secondary Education Assam through the Inspector of Schools Goalpara, along with all the relevant documents. Self-attested relevant documents, the certified copy of this order. Portrait. On Likha, on or before 12th of April. Of the necessary acknowledgements and such, providing his telephone number, mobile number, full address, email address, etc. for onward communication. In the event of filing such and such, dispose of within a period of 60 days. Intimating 90 days for intimating such and such. And to consider the payment of such and such as per his entitlement in terms of the same notification.
Along with area part may be mentioned.
As admissible.
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Simuddin, please take back this.
Yes.
You get it. That is, when a school is provincialized, you don't have it in 2 days.
As per
Okay, have it on Tuesday. 28. 28.
as per part. My lord, in this case, I have not gone through the records,
Which one?
but this one. But I got now, just I got now that school has been provincialized in the year of 1983. Managing committee has no right to.
Let him get it.
Yes.
We'll pass. Hey, admission or retirement of Hum College. So I will take only item number 13, 14. The rest I have to write actually for this. So only the Ham College 13, 14, 15. And 16. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, madam. He was here on that day. What is the information received? What is the information received? Anything you don't know?
After some time,
Who will rise? That's the thing. Any other important issues, important matters? Just tell us. We'll have it within 5 minutes if something. Any important matters, Mr. Doctor? Just tell us.
Malad, I mentioned Malad contempt case numbers serial number 21 and 31 and 25 Malad. 3 contempt cases Malad.
21,
25 and 31 Malad. So we have taken steps Malad.
Okay, 21, 25 and 31. Just I'll get a deal. 21. We'll do it one by one.
Grant him Malad promotion. Yes,
No, Mr. Sisti, this is with regard to
Holding of a DPC lordship.
no, what happened earlier, it was decided to hold it on 30th of May, but for some reason, inconvenience, it was postponed. Only you have to tell us on which date it was held. That much. Next date of the review. In the meanwhile, the petitioner's case has been considered by the review DPC. So, no point of keeping this matter from 2020.
Date I will take it.
Just get the information whether with regard to the DPC, review DPC was held or not. When, whether the case of the petitioner was considered in the same review DPC or not. Mr. Procrastinator, do one thing. Give a copy of the order to Mr. Sisti. Copy of the order means the order which was contempt of the Mr. Sisti will have it on only not much of big information. We will have it on 11th. Okay. This on 11th. Reflecting the name of SMP Sisti. Allowing him to place the 11 instruction.
25.
Just a minute. We'll have it one by one.
At 25 Malad, my learned friend can take.
But we have to submit a copy of the content.
I will provide it. Second edition.
See, matter was returned back to the district scrutiny committee, Morigaon, and to do the needful. With regard to, because the enrollment of students is more in the particular school, so the second post of English teacher. So that much only. What Mr. B progressed. List of list on your here. It's very Petitioner shall serve an extra copy of 2 extra copies of this to Mr. Vijay.
Yes.
By Monday. After this day. Which one?
13, my lord. In this case, order is page 16, my lord. They have been
Finance is 31, Mr. Gogoi, you are supposed to place a relevant instruction. This is something with the finance. There is a specific order by His Lordship, Justice Singh. Respondent Finance Department shall file an affidavit giving the timeline for compliance of the court's order. So we don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think who? H. Chalia, his name has not been reflected. On the next date fixed, Mr. H. Chalia, Standing Council Finance, will apprise the court about the relevant instructions sought for by the court by the order dated 02/03/2023. List on 25th of April.
Obliged.
Pertaining to compliance of the order. Dated 27/06/2022. Fasting. WPC number 4265/2022. List on certificates. Mr. Sisti and Mr. Gogoi, both of you kindly inform Mr. Chalia. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar, Mr. Gogoi, do you have the relevant instructions?
28/2/2023, Lordship. Last order, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
My instruction, Lordship, they have inspected my institution, Lordship.
Mr. Gogoi, anything you want?
Yes, but now Lordship may kindly have a look at this order, asking the legal fee. The legal fee was preferred by the lead petitioner against the earlier interim order that Lordship has passed. Lordship, I have highlighted that part as one paragraph. In the last order, the Honorable Court stated that we will have to look into only the fresh report, and we cannot look into the other reports. But the division bench has categorically stated in the last paragraph that we can consider earlier order as well as the present. Since the division bench has said so, only this order will prevail. That part I did not point out on the last day. I want some modification so that we can pass another person to the division bench.
Lordship, in this regard, Lordship, I have an objection of that.
You may object, but division bench order.
Lordship, that previous Lordship, last occasion, the order was passed, inspection was made by Lordship. And now let them submit the report, that inspection report, Lordship. Now they are trying to divulge these things other way. My reserved submission, Lordship, let them submit inspection report.
With regard to
and the criminal case against the petitioner.
Lordship, they are Lordship, everything I have no Lordship, that report, let them submit the report.
Where is that order? In the other petition.
That they close the Honorable Court division bench. Division bench
With regard to the order dated 09/02/2021, passed earlier in this proceeding, the petitioner has preferred an appeal, being writ appeal number 339/2021. which was disposed of on 18/02/2022. With the observation that the Director of Medical Education shall pass appropriate order in terms of the reports which are there concerning the college, including the inspection report as directed by the learned single judge.
That report not submitted, Lordship. I
Now, it
clarified.
has been verified. Why don't you understand, Mr. Mazumdar? Now we passed that has to be by women affidavit.
Lordship.
But what happened? The Honorable Division Bench has passed. Now the Director of DME to pass a necessary order. On
Lordship.
the basis of that, this thing.
And last occasion also, this honorable court,
In
Lordship,
view of the
directed.
above, the Director of Medical Education Assam shall now pass appropriate order in terms of the said report, inspection report submitted by the concerned committee constituted by the DME Assam with regard to the petitioner college.
But as well as an earlier report.
That earlier report, Lordship, I challenge that, Lordship. And accordingly, this honorable court directed for fresh inquiry. Because I submitted the report detailed, my land and thing is confused. Lordship, let me submit, Lordship, my case, Lordship. He is trying to
Listen.
divulge the things like other way, Lordship. Because I filed a additional affidavit stating all this, and this honorable court asked the department to reconsider the inspection report. They have not done
No, I
it.
don't think so. It is there, Mr. Gogoi.
They have not done it, Lordship. And subsequently, the honorable single judge directed them to comply with that order.
May I just repeat, madam? Meanwhile, the Director of Medical Education shall pass appropriate order in terms of the report which are there concerning the college, including the inspection.
Including the inspection.
Yes.
That two reports are there.
Yes.
One is the
But the
report.
madam, earlier
Listen,
order-
listen. That report you have placed before the court earlier.
My lord.
Right, we have seen the record.
Yes.
And thereafter we have passed that order.
Yes.
Now there are two things. Committee was constituted. The committee visited this particular
Yes.
institute. That is the inspection report.
Yes.
Right? Report and the inspection together, it has been mentioned there. Just see the report as directed by the learned single judge, it is there, right?
Yes.
No, meanwhile, madam, that
Meanwhile, just
final order.
please read.
The Director of Medical Education shall pass appropriate order in terms of the reports which are there.
Which are there, already there.
Concerning the college, including the inspection report that we are.
Because the inspection report is there because you have constituted a committee who went there and inspected and submitted the report.
Yes,
That
not
is,
before the court. Madam. Till then, we are yet to take a decision. That's why I want to.
that's
point
why
it out.
that's why you are supposed to, the director DME Assam is supposed to issue the report.
Yes.
Do it, pass the order.
No, in fact, when the last order passed in this present repetition, there's no
Huh.
repetition. The honorable court has stated that we cannot go into the other, we cannot consider the other reports. Only the fresh report. That's why
Lordship,
I-
with all respect, Lordship, let this matter may come on Tuesday, Lordship. I'll satisfy your Lordship because they have submitted the report.
Give it a second.
Lordship, on Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday.
Lordship. I'll satisfy your Lordship.
Item number 18. Item number 18, my lord. It's a very small matter, my lord. What happened because of a typographical error, my lord, the petitioner's provincialization was stalled because his date of appointment was read as 17 instead of 7, my lord, 2007.
Just. Where you have mentioned?
Pardon, my lord?
Where you have
Page 12, lord, you will see, my lord. This is the order of provincialization other persons, my lord. But here, petitioner Yusuf Ali, my lord, third in number in the chart, my lord. His date of joining has been shown as 18/1/2017. But my lord, in the earlier reports and subsequently the DEO has also clarified, page annexure 13, my lord, page 45, that it was 2007, and maybe it's some mistake by someone, my lord, that they read it as 18/1/17, my lord. Annexure 13, my lord, page 45, last but one paragraph, my lord. But no record. It starts with but no record. Instead of 18/1/2007, my lord, it was read as 18/1/2017. My lord, I have also annexed my lord, the Dias code and all, my lord. There also, my lord, is reflected as 2007, my lord. The Dias code, lordship will find at page 26, my lord.
No, Mr. Doctor, now the direction was that the district's committee will look into it, right?
Yes.
Now what happened?
My lord, the district my lord, elementary education officer, my lord, has submitted a report saying, my lord, that we never said it's 2017. There's been some mistake by someone, my lord.
No, that we have seen. Now
Yes,
this particular order.
Yes, madam.
You are challenging this order of the director.
No, my lord, now this is pending because I'm not claiming provincialization. My lord. My case should be considered, my lord. That's the only thing, my lord, case, my lord. Because that order of provincialization of other people, my lord, that I'm not, my lord, yes, my lord, that is also one of the order, my lord. But then, my lord, my case is that since the matter has been clarified, my lord, let them take a call on this. That is the only, my lord. By this order, my lord, my provincialization was rejected on the ground, my lord, that my appointment is 2017.
Mr. Ramdatta, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Do the case, name of the petitioner. Do the case of the person. Mohammed Yusuf Ali Ahmed was considered for provincialization under the provisions of the 2017. As this was against New Piradhara ME Madrasa. In the Srijangam Education Block of District Dhubri. But due to wrong intimation of his date of joining in the school, as 18/01/2017. The service of the petitioner could not be provincialized. The District Elementary Education Officer Bongaigaon, by his communication dated 28/4/2022, informed the Director of Elementary Education Assam. My communication number WPC 2944/2021/1072 dated 28/04. That on verification of the original record, it was found that the petitioner was appointed on 18/01/2017. 2007 as a science teacher of the said Piradhara such and such. And he joined the said service on 18/01/2007 itself. But somewhere in the record, the BEO DEEU, Bongaigaon, in the said communication dated 28/04/2022. Also mentioned that the all relevant records, including the DICE code, reflects that the petitioner joined his service on 18/01/2007. And probably inadvertently, his name was shown to have joined, he has shown to have joined on 18/01/2017. The BEO Bongaigaon by the said letter dated 28/04/2022 apprised the Director of Elementary Education Assam to consider the date of joining of the petitioner at Piradhara such and such as 18/01/2007 and not 18/01/2017 on the basis of the proceeding book of the SMC of the state school. Considering the above, the state level scrutiny should be DSC or distinct.
It is a state level committee, my lord.
What was the report of the DLS?
The report of the
District scrutiny committee recommended your name.
my lord, the district scrutiny committee, my lord,
Did not recommend your name.
did not recommend.
Considering the above, on the recommendation of the district scrutiny committee to be, sorry, Bongai County, जो थोड़ी लिख सब Bongai County. Forwarded by the DEO 0308-2010. No, this was an old one.
My lord, because SLC did not, my lord, consider, only recommended 2 names, my lord, not the petition.
Consider the state level scrutiny committee. Sir, reconsider the case of the petitioner for his provincialized as per his entitlement in accordance with the law and the provisions of rule 2007 Friday. Petitioner shall submit a certified copy of this order forthwith before the director of limited of the ring such and such. Hard Mr. P.K. Borapur.
My lord, time frame may be fixed, my lord.
Within a period of 60 days from the date of.
My lord, deep level.
For the item number 12, well, it did maybe. In the vacating petition, well,
That-
next.